I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Okay, class, can anybody tell me? Fire drill! Everyone, line up and walk out the back exit now! Alberto. Here. Daphne. Here. Bacon hair. Here. And Cindy. Here. Okay, now we have to wait until the principal tells us that we can go inside. Attention students, teachers, and staff. That was a false alarm. Someone pulled the fire alarm and caused it to go off. We are now looking for the person who did it. In the meantime, you may head back to the building. Good job, everyone. You guys took the situation very seriously. You didn't talk. You didn't fool around. And you stayed in line. Good job. But does anyone know who is responsible for pulling the fire alarm? I think I know who it was. It was Trotro. He was the only one in the hallway before the alarm started to sound. What? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me, Alberto. I'm going to tell the principal about this. Hello, Baldy. How can I do for you? I found out the culprit of the person who pulled the fire alarm. It was Trotro. What? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me. He is so going to be in big trouble. I'm going to bring him in now. Trotro, please report to the principal's office immediately. Trotro, I just heard that you were the one who pulled the fire alarm. Is that true? Yes, I did pull the fire alarm. What? Oh my god. Trotro, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. That's it. You are suspended for 50 days. Go home right now while I call your parents. Oh my god, Trotro. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know that pulling the fire alarm when there was no fire was very illegal. That's it. You're grounded until we pay the fine. Go to your room right now.